Good afternoon from Universal Orlando. So it hasn't been too long since we were here actually, because we were just here, when? On Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
For the annual pass holder appreciation night. So we got to spend a lot of time in this park. Yes, it's got a new ET button, but they only had this park open for the event. So we did a lot of rides here, so we'll probably spend more time over Islands Adventure today. But we're starting out over here. There is a new annual pass magnet that I wanted to pick up, as well as we'll probably go get lunch at Today Cafe.
The best place ever.
We ate here back when it opened, so it's been a few months, but it's so good. So we'll probably eat lunch and then switch parks. And then we'll do some stuff over there, hopefully get on Hagrid. I have sunglasses with a camera built into them, so I'm really hoping that maybe that'll be a way that I can film part of the ride. And then maybe we'll go to Volcano Bay today and just kind of go to all the parks.
That would be awesome.
But we're gonna start with some lunch. Now when we were here Sunday, we did start to see a lot of the different Halloween Horror Night decorations going up, but we didn't film on Sunday. So this is the first time that we'll have it on video. But this is one of the scare zones right here. I guess this one's called Vanity Ball, according to the sign. But they have all the different lighting posts and decorations starting to go out since it's pretty soon that it's starting, right? I don't know the start date, but
I'm assuming it's soon. Oh, and
sometime in September.
That like...
Oh, and they're doing some construction on the old Terminator ride?
Terminator, yeah.
Yeah, we don't know what's going here yet, but they have been doing some work on it, so maybe we'll get an announcement soon. But all kinds of props out for Horror Nights. So it is very quiet in here. But we got our new magnets. It's really cool. It matches all the new merchandise. So I got the new annual pass refillable cup that they released during the party on Sunday, which I forgot to bring it back today. But this is, I think they saw a shirt with it too, maybe?
Yeah, they have a bunch of new stuff like with this like...
Which I really like the new logo that they've been releasing. But I think they are sold out of this month's button. So we couldn't get that. But at least we got the magnet. So here is Today Cafe's menu. So last time we were here we got the avocado toast and the Carnegie, which both are really good, but the avocado toast was my favorite.
That's the best avocado toast I've ever had.
So we're probably gonna get that again. And then maybe the grilled cheese.
This is really good.
So we did try that as well. I don't know, everything here is amazing. We have some salads.
Oh, I didn't know they had mobile pickup.
Yeah.
That's nice. Well, oh, they have
Some
wine.
drinks on the back. So good here. So we're still waiting in line, but this dessert case has so many things that look amazing. We have strawberry and blueberry cheesecake on a stick, eclairs, cream puffs. We got like a confetti cake down there.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, everything looks so good here. So we just got our food. So this is the avocado toast with a side of potato salad. And this is the grilled cheese. And it has
apple
slices of apple in it.
Kind of see.
Yeah. With some more potato salad. Because between fruit and potato salad, we want a potato salad.
Yeah.
But it looks amazing. We're excited. So after a very filling and good lunch, we are now going to take the Hogwarts Express over to Islands Adventure. Pretty much all the rides in the park are what, like 15-minute waits?
15, 20 minutes.
There was a longer line for Minions, but that's about it. I think you said even Gringotts was 20?
Was 25.
So that's not bad at all for Gringotts. But we did just ride that on Sunday, so we're gonna try to spend some more time at the other park. So maybe we'll see how short Hagrid is. Hopefully not too. The app said it was only 2.5, and it's typically a little bit shorter than what the app says.
Yeah.
So hopefully it'll be a nice and short wait. So that would be great. But Hogwarts Express time, and that'll take us right to Hagrid. Heading into 9 3/4. at Hogsmeade. Thanks for the train. Time to go check out Hagrid's line. So we just got off of Hagrid. Didn't wait too long.
It was, I don't know.
It's probably about an hour and a half. It did go down when we were in the last room, so that did take a little bit longer. Other than that, it wasn't like an awful wait. We waited longer. The ride was as good as always. I'm really glad I brought my glasses. So we'll include some of that ride footage.
Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the Forbidden Forest. We'll have to round up the troops before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. There's no need for that. You probably had I've got you, don't worry. Repairing. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Well, that was close. Now we just need to... Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick. I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild.
The ride was great, like always.
Yeah.
It did stop again right as our lap bars went up. Like we were like the last like to get out before it broke. So I don't know if it's still on a delay, but it did go down again.
That's a problem.
Seems to happen a lot, but at least we got on. Now we're gonna get some butterbeer and then maybe head to Volcano Bay. So we got our frozen butterbeer.
So good.
This one's really good. They have this one, they have an ice version, or yeah, like a cold version, which is kind of like a soda. That one's carbonated. This one's more of like a slushy. And then in the winter, they have hot butterbeer.
You like that one a lot.
That one's so good. That's my favorite of them. But they don't have it in the summer. I guess not many people would want a hot drink when it's 100 degrees out.
I guess.
But we're getting close to hot butterbeer season.
Woo!
But I think now we're going to head to Volcano Bay. So one last look at Hogsmeade for now. At least we got to ride Hagrid. So we just got on the bus for Volcano Bay. We're heading over. Now, we didn't park in the Volcano Bay garage. We went to the park first, so there is a bus you can take. City Walk. We're doing that. And I'll be there in a few minutes. So we got through security. Now we're going under the road. Through the tunnel. That means we are almost here. Yes, I love the little tikis everywhere. A little escalator. And then the grand reveal. We made it! I'm ready to see the volcano. Walkways are already all wet. One thing that Volcano Bay does a really good job of is spraying all those sidewalks during the day so it's not hot to walk on. It's all nice and cool. But here it is. Krakatoa is so cool. Now, neither of us have done any of the drop slides.
I'm not sure I will ever do
Yeah, neither of us really have the desire to do the drop slides, where you like stand in the little tube and then the floor opens up under you. But we have done Krakatoa, which is the name of the volcano, but also the name of the aqua coaster. And that is a great slide.
Yes.
So we'll probably be heading that direction to see what the line is for that. But so far, lots of people leaving, so the crowds don't look too bad. Now, since we just came in, we went to the right, and we got a little restaurant coming up here on the right, and a little store here on the left. This isn't the largest store, but one of two. And a lot of the dining options are located around where the lockers are. So here are the current wait times. So 2 hours for Krakatoa. Got a few ride nows. You can always do the Lazy River and the Fearless River whenever you want, and we will definitely be going to the Fearless River. But overall, wait times aren't terrible. We'll probably get a return time for Krakatoa. Alright, okay, so we're now heading out of Volcano Bay. We did get to go on a lot of slides, but couldn't bring the camera on them. They don't actually allow cameras on any of the slides, I believe, except for like the Lazy River, but I didn't have a waterproof camera here today. But it was a good day. I mean, we came around, what, 5:30?
Yeah.
And it's way emptier than it's been when we've been here before.
I know.
So it's definitely the time to do it, and it
Yeah,
looks really cool.
If we're coming back, I want it to be at night.
Yeah, everything is lit up now as we're walking out. I mean, the sunset's not until like 8:30 here, but it's finally getting dark now. And that volcano looks amazing. And the Lazy River's all lit up. Just everything around here looks really nice in the dark, but especially Krakatoa. But the one thing that we did not realize was that it seems like most of the food here closes early.
Oh yeah.
So we didn't end up getting dinner here at all because all the restaurants were closed. Now the one in the front may have stayed open.
I think Kahola Reef.
Yeah, but the rest of them, which is like in the areas where we were, where a lot of the slides are, all were closed.
Places that we've eaten before, so we know the menu.
What's the one called? Wakawewe, Bamboo. They were all closed, so I guess they're more lunch focused when the park's more crowded, because it's definitely lighter crowds around dinner time. But it's worth it to get that. That is so cool. Totally worth it. Just be prepared that there may be limited food options. Yeah, so I just checked in. It's 8:30 now.
Okay.
So this is when it's really nice out as far as the lighting. So right around, I think 8:15 is probably when the sunset was, and now it's great. And the park's empty.
Yeah,
it does close in half an hour, but this last half hour, like, you can do anything as a walk-on.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. And we're walking by Kahola Reef right now, which is that restaurant on the front, and this one does appear to be open. So I guess they do keep this one up in the front. So there is food for dinner, just the main restaurant as you walk in the park. That wraps it up for us today. Volcano Bay. Such a cool sign lit up at night. We've never seen this before. We've only been here during the day. I would definitely come back at night. And Cabana Bay back there in the distance. Time to head out. No, it doesn't. Alright, so we just got off the bus. We are back in the garage. And we're gonna call it a day from here.
We did a lot.
We did. It was a full day Universal, which was nice because we haven't really been here much.
3-part challenge.
Yeah, we did all 3, which, I mean, we did come Sunday for the annual pass event, but we only got to go to the one. And then before that, it had been at least a month since we were here.
Yeah, we're showing Universal some love because we like ditched it for
I know,
a long
we just did a
time.
lot of Disney, which, I mean, we love Disney, but
Yeah.
I do love coming here as well sometimes. And it was really nice to get to see Volcano Bay at night finally. I mean, the first time we went to Volcano Bay, we stayed at Cabana Bay.
Yeah, and
So we had a
volcano
view of the volcano from the room.
And we just like sat there for like 3 hours.
Stared at it.
Staring at it.
So we got to see the park at night from the window.
Yeah.
But we'd never been in the park at night, so that was really cool because we've never done that before. And I got to do Hagrid again, and I got to get the footage on my glasses because I really have been wanting to film it, but you can't have a camera or any loose articles. So I finally decided to bring my glasses and get that filmed. So that was cool. And yeah, all 3 parks. Today Cafe was so good.
Oh my god, my favorite.
And then Butterbeer, always good.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a great day at Universal. So that'll be our last video for a little bit. So I'll be going back to school this weekend, but I'll be home at least once a month. So we'll be filming and releasing 1 to 2 videos, hopefully, or as many as we can film whenever I'm here each month. So in the meantime, you can always follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and we'll be posting when our videos are coming. But we'll definitely have some exciting content coming up. I know in September we'll definitely be going to Food and Wine, and we'll see what else we end up doing. And then early October we have the Halloween party, and then all kinds of holiday related stuff in the parks later in the fall. And we'll be going to Disneyland in December, which I am very excited about. I've been there twice, and Amanda has never been.
Been 0 times.
So that'll be like our exciting trip at the end of the year. So we're actually going to California in December. So that'll be a really nice way to wrap up the year before your birthday.
Yeah.
But until then, again, just follow us on social media. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Comment where you like to see us go when I come back, since we can only film a few videos a month now. We definitely want to do Food and Wine, but other than that, we're pretty much open to go wherever.
Yeah.
So if you have any suggestions for us, please leave those down below. And once again, thanks for watching.